In this video, let us solve this problem. So we have a fixed mass of gas occupying 6.0 liters at 27 degrees Celsius is compressed at constant temperature until the pressure is doubled. It then cooled at that pressure until the volume is 2.0 liters. What is the new temperature? So the first thing is to write out the parameters given to us in the question. So we're given that the fixed mass of gas occupied volume of 6.0 liters. So the initial volume V1 is 6 liters. Okay, good. At initial temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. So the initial temperature T1 is 27 degrees Celsius. But the pressure at which the gas was maintained was not given to us. So the P1, the initial pressure, is unknown. Good. So continuing the question, is then compressed at constant temperature until the pressure is doubled. So the pressure was then doubled, okay, at constant temperature. So the final pressure, right, was doubled. So double, twice that of P1, the initial pressure, okay. It then cooled, and at this pressure, it was then cooled until the volume is 2.0 liters. So after being cooled, the final volume, that is V2, right, is then equal to 2 liters. So we are then asked to calculate what is the new temperature. The final temperature T2 is equal to question mark unknown. Now to solve this, we're going to use general gas law, which is given by P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. Okay, good. The value of P1 is unknown, so P1 times the value of V1 is 6 liters times 6 over the value of T1 is 27 degrees Celsius over 27 is equal to P2 is twice that of P1, so 2 times P1 times V2 is equal to 2 liters times 2 over T2 is the unknown we're looking for over T2. Okay, good. So at this junction, P1 times 6 is 6P1 is equal to 2 times 2, 4. 4 times P1 is 4P1. 4P1 over 27, right, over T2. Good. So P1 cancel out P1. What you have left is 6 is equal to 4 over T2 over 27. Then could multiply, right? Shows that 4 multiply 27 and 6 multiply T2. So 6 times T2 is 6T2 is equal to 27 times 4, 27 times 4. Now divide both sides by 6, shows that T2 stand alone. 6 divided 6, T2 is then equal to 27 times 4 over 6 is equal to 18 degrees Celsius, and this is the new temperature.